Good morning from Bowtie Specialties, Sacramento, California. Got a 64 in today. Got a long list of repairs. This one's third in line. First, we got to knock out an engine for the 73 truck. Got a rear end to finish up. And then we got a long list of suspension and engine work on this 64 out of Stockton, California. Some major engine upgrades. And yeah, we'll keep you posted, keep you tuned in on progress. For now, we're finishing up this block. We got a hot tank, about to strip it down to paint, and then we're gonna paint it up, check measurements, and get this bad boy installed. And this is second in line here for a 66 Impala. Lines are coming in today. Gonna get those bent, set up with the disc brakes, get that thing installed. Hopefully have this one back on the road on Wednesday of next week. All right, guys, take care.